Welcome to the Mind Body Business Show Special Edition.
My name is Moe Abbas. I'm the CEO and co-founder of GenM. If you're going to be a creator and you're going to build a business and you're going to be a better decision maker, you need to have a bigger database that you can easily retrieve information from. I tell myself the story that I am this incredible God-gifted entrepreneur, that I have this indomitable will, that no one shall stand against me will prosper. Discipline is extremely important to success. That's always been my guiding principle. The first one's integrity, the second one is hard work, and the third one is learning. So I started believing that I could do more and I could be more. You only fail when you quit. Otherwise, you're still in the game.